Okay, quick how-to video on how to remove door handles for Ford Mondeo. Tools needed: T20 Torx bit, little flat blade screwdriver, and a piece of metal. Just a hooky piece of metal that I made to do the job with. Right, first thing you want to notice is a little black thing there on the edge of the door. Get a little flat blade screwdriver. Oops, hang on, I'll just swap hands. Okay. Alright, so pause that a sec. That just pops off. Just inside, I don't know if you can see that or not. Just inside there is a little Torx bit, which is a T20. What I do is just put your screwdriver in. Turn that a few turns. Don't need to take it all the way out, just like that, that'll do. You see it there? Just a few turns out. Bring your door around. That just pulls off. Bit awkward trying to do this one-handed. Like that. Once that comes off, just get that to side of it. There you go. That just pulls off. And all you do is you grab your door handle, pull it towards you, and lift it out. And that's it, that's removal. Put it back in. Start with that end first. In it goes. Right, now the tricky part is, hang on, get the cat. That bit there goes behind a little latch that you pull. Now you're not going to be able to see it, I don't think. No, just inside there. You can see it if you look through the door, it's just a little piece of metal, just that side. Now the trick is to get the door handle back in and hook behind that. Now unfortunately that's gone all the way that way because the door handle's come out now, so it's sprung all that way. But what I figured out was, if I get my little piece of metal and I just hook it round the metal bit there, like so, and I can pull that in like that, but unfortunately I can't do all that. And then the door handle, excuse me a moment, like that, push door handle in while holding that, and then you just push it like that, and then I think that was a pod. Yep, and then once you've got that, what you have to do is you have to hold that hook in, that hook behind it, like that, pulling it in. And then once you've got the door handle slipped in behind it, you slide your hook out, let the metal bar spring back against the door handle. That's your door handle working again. Then what you do is, you get your little cap. It's a bit fiddly, getting it being behind door handle. Some of them are really easy to do, some of them are quite awkward. Oh, best to drop that. But like the back one I found, that one was really easy. It went on in about 2 seconds. Whereas this one, as it was just now, trying to put it back on, that's why I had to pause the video and put it down, is a bit of a pain to do. And then all you do is you just lift your door handle up. That then goes back in there like that. There you get your T25 screwdriver. You tighten that screw back up. And you get your cap. Pop your cap back on. And here presto. That's it. Hope that's helped. It's a bit fiddly and a bit tricky, but it does. It is relatively easy. Just a bit awkward and fiddly. Yeah, hope that helps.